Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a King's Jump Starter. Before we begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always take a moment to read your Jump Starter's user manual thoroughly. Make sure your device and all its accessories are in excellent condition before each use. Remember, never connect the two clamps together, and always keep the unit away from children and any flammable materials. Following these simple guidelines ensures a safe and effective experience. Keeping your Jump Starter ready is simple. You can charge it using the included 240-volt AC wall charger at home. For convenience on the road, use the supplied 12-volt cigarette plug lead. It's important to ensure the unit has at least 50% charge before attempting to jump start a vehicle. The indicator lights will flash while charging and become solid when the battery is fully replenished and ready for action. Now, let's get your vehicle started. First, firmly plug the jumper leads into the Jump Starter's designated port. Next, connect the red positive clamp to your vehicle's positive battery terminal. Then, attach the black negative clamp to the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Once connected, you can start your vehicle. As soon as the engine is running, disconnect the clamps immediately to prevent any potential damage to the unit. After successfully starting your vehicle, remember to disconnect the clamps in the correct order. First the black negative, then the red positive. Always turn the Jump Starter's power switch to the off position afterward. This versatile device also features twin USB outlets, perfect for charging your mobile phone or other gadgets. Plus, it includes a handy LED torch. Just hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate it for nighttime visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.